Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to discuss about nested loops. How nested loops are going to be work. So let's see. A nested loop is a loop inside a loop. Yes, a inner loop will be executed one time for each iteration of a outer loop. Okay, that is the meaning here. What is the meaning here saying that if there is a outer loop and there is a inner loop, always inner loop execution once on the behalf of the outer loop. Okay, so how it is going to work. So let's see. L equal to, there is a 1 2 3 4. Okay, and inside L2 there is another called a single quote A comma single quote B comma single quote C comma single quote D. Okay, so when you go for the loop for X in L colon, for Y in L2 colon, then print X comma Y. Okay, so before I am going to execute it, first print. Fine, so let's see. Okay, so here you have to understand first 1 1A 1B 1C 1D, then 2A 2B 2C 2D, then 3A 3B 3C 3D, then 4A 4B 4C 4D. Okay, so for the internal loop on the behalf of outer loop moves that number of times. Okay, there is a 4 elements, 4 moves on the number of times on behalf of one time loop. Outer loop is going to be moved. So that's why it's saying that inner loop will be executed only one time for each iteration of the outer loop. Okay, so inner loop, all the loops are moved for the once for each iteration, means that's a 1 for all iterations, then 2 for all iterations, then 3 for all iterations, then 4 for all iterations. That's it. Okay, so this is the Python for loop, nested for loop execution. For Python nested for loop execution. For if you have any doubt, go to the comment box and type there. Please share this video, click on the like button and click on the bell icon also. When I am going to upload any future videos, you will get the notifications, and please click on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you.